1 जुलाई को डोनापोलो में एक डॉक्टर के घर पे बर्गलरी हुआ था, जिसमें ज्वेलरी और कैश मिला के क्लोज टू ₹500 crore वर्थ items were stolen, and in which we had registered an FIR on 31st under sections of IPC 454, 457 and 380 IPC. After close to a month of sincere and persistent and intelligent efforts of Panji police station team under the leadership of Inspector Nikhil and SDPO Sudesh, we have arrested the accused from West Bengal, and he has been produced before the court and now is in police custody. And during his police custody, we have recovered jewelry which was part of the stolen items from Mumbai. इस केस में मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि this was a completely blind case. Initial एक हफ्ते में we were not having any clue other than a CCTV recordings in which a person was एक साइकिल में आ रहा था और उसमें भी he was completely covered his face भी कवर किया था, और ये साइकिल में आ रहा था और साइकिल से जा रहा था, और उस घर पे भी when he broke into, his face was covered. But we continued our efforts. In fact, Nikhil and his team, PSI Sanket as well as the other team continued the efforts. पूरा CCTV track किया तो we found one suspicious person who was actually following the same track in which we found out the cycle man was tracking. फिर हमने ट्रैक किया तो we saw this person was going towards casino as well. कैसीनो में जा रहा था, वहाँ पे उसका फेस क्लियर आ गया. फिर उसके बाद पोंडा में जा रहा था, वहाँ से भी उसका फेस क्लियर आ गया. बट दिस पर्सन हैड गिवन फेक फोन नंबर्स एट डिफरेंट लोकेशंस. उसका नंबर्स भी फेक था. फिर उस CCTV को और उसको पूरा ट्रैक करने के बाद वी वर फाइनली एबल टू ट्रैक द पर्सन्स ID कार्ड. बट ID कार्ड में भी इट वॉज ओनली हिज नेम and his address, but his whereabouts were unknown. फिर 1 week of intense technical surveillance से we understood that this person is based in West Bengal, but where this person is we were unaware. Now the police came up with a very intelligent plan in which we have found out the identity of this person is Nepali and he is of the age 31 years. फिर हमने देखा कि इसका जो नंबर्स जो ट्रैक यूज़ किया है, दिस नंबर्स इज लिंक्ड टू वन इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट एंड फेसबुक अकाउंट. इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक अकाउंट में देयर इज नो अदर नंबर बाई विच वी कैन ट्रेस हिज लोकेशन, बट द इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट वॉज एक्टिव. द पुलिस ऑल्सो क्रिएटेड ए फेक इंस्टाग्राम ID ऑफ ए गर्ल. हमने एक फेक ID बनाया लेडी का, in fact a girl ka. We took the help of a girl also and we started talking with the person. फिर after 3-4 days of intense chatting, the person revealed his location and person revealed his phone number. Immediately a team was sent to West Bengal. West Bengal में उसको West Bengal पुलिस की हेल्प से हमने उसको अप्रहेंड किया. वहाँ पे उसको पेश किया कोर्ट में. कोर्ट ने हमें ट्रांसिट वारंट दिया. ट्रांसिट वारंट के बाद वी केम हियर, वी प्रेजेंटेड इट बिफोर द कोर्ट हियर वेयर वी गॉट द PC, और उसके इंस्टेंस में वी रिकवर्ड सम ऑफ द ज्वेलरी फ्रॉम मुंबई. द केस इज अंडर फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन. द एक्यूज्ड नेम इज सुरेंद्र छेत्री, सन ऑफ लेट श्रीराम छेत्री, एज 31 years, and he is from Lakshman Line, Badain Lane, Chaupura Tea Garden, Kalchini, Jalpaiguri, West Bengal. Basically, he is a Nepali. Sorry. Sir, we are actually assessing that some of the majority of them are jewelry. Crime happened on 30th night, July.
So the full crime he did involved by himself, or he was having the.
He only was involved in the crime. This person, this thief is also interesting. He doesn't target a particular house. He roams around the area. He just goes and checks which house is opened. ठीक है, जिस घर में कोई एंट्री है. तो this was just मतलब prima facie from the investigation what we found out that he was just roaming around in that area where this house was there. उन्होंने जाके देखा तो door was not properly. First floor door was open. इन लोगों ने नीचे बंद करके किया था तो first floor door was open. So he just went there and tried to open it. Opened it, he went sit and he stole and came out. Sorry. Yes, he was arrested by Bandra police in 2015.
So he used to stay over here in the rental house or just.
तो क्या काम करता था यहाँ पे?
He just comes here ऐसे randomly काम आता था and he just roams around in the area. अगर कोई मिल गया कि कहीं घर खुला मिला है then see you have to see this person is even roaming in cycle. साइकिल में घूम रहा था फिर एक घर गया वहाँ पे देखा तो घर खुला है. He went inside and stole.
So well planned था.
No, it's not well planned. The it's random. The activity is planned, but the house is random.
So he is operating individually.
He is operating individually. No, not yet.
Sir, you have mentioned about casino. You used to work in casino.
No, he didn't work in the casino. He stole the items. When he stole, there was some cash also. He got close to 3 lakh cash from the house of where he did the theft, and using that cash, he went to the casino to play. From where we could identify that person or his face was revealed.
So do you find any involvement in other crimes in Goa?
We are checking it as well.
Do you feel like this is the first case where Goa police use money trap to track the person?
If we call it as a honey trap, then it can be like yes, first. To arrest to find out the accused, we have to make as efforts as much as possible. So we made all sincere efforts.
मुंबई में सामान कहाँ रखा है आपको अपने नाम में किसके?
नहीं, he was actually उन्होंने एक दो जगह पे इन्होंने भेज दिया था तो वहाँ से हमने इनको रिकवर किया.
So it is this work, hard work of your PR
Yes,
and
yes,
the
yes. It is completely pure hard work. In fact, more than hard work, it is persistence and intelligence which worked in this case.
So total how much jewelry cost?
Almost altogether cash और सारे मिला के I told you 500 crore, close to 50 lakh. 500 crore.
How much you will cover now?
That we are assessing. It's jewelry, na? We'll get it.
आप क्रोस का सोना और ज्वेलरी को
No, so they have to take precautions because when you are keeping so much of jewelry, at least the doors should have been closed.
सर मुंबई से वो आपने बोला कि थोड़ा मुंबई से लाया है जो ज्वेलरी कितने ज्वेलर्स को बेचा था.
He had disposed it into two places, one jewelry shop and one place also he had given. वहाँ से भी अंदर. झाले?
सर
Thank you.
अनेक केस काल म्हणून रजिस्टर केला कसिनो
तो परसों का केस है.
उसका भी डिटेल्स में.
नहीं, there is a complaint in which a person was allegedly मतलब abducted to settle some financial issues. So prima facie it was not with the consent of the person victim. So we registered an offence and we have arrested one person. The investigation is still going. No, we have only registered one case on the complaint of the tourist against the government.
Okay, sir, second thing, बानेश्वरी केस में इनका एडवोकेट ने कुछ बोला था कि उसकी कस्टडी जरूरत नहीं है.
Crime branch के पास just it is 3 or 4 days. We are still studying the case. So we had primarily asked we not want more time, but the same lawyer was actually following up the case from the beginning. So based on his as in assessment, he presented it before the court, and it is court's decision.
सर ये जो केस फेक आईडी से सॉल्व हुआ है फर्स्ट केस है ना जो फेक आईडी से सॉल्व हुआ.
In my notice, it is the first case. Zalek? Thank you.